Good morning, everybody. 20 minutes before the top of the hour. We have got thunderstorms outside this morning. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch for all of our Illinois counties north of I-70, and we've got severe thunderstorm warnings to talk about because of those cells right there from Marshall on down Highway 1 through Crawford County. You're going to find the heaviest rain, almost the heaviest rain in the two-state region right now. There's more severe weather to the north and to the west as well. So here's the deal this morning. We've got a cluster of thunderstorms here from Marshall south to Robinson. We've got severe thunderstorm warnings now for these counties: Clark, Crawford, and Sullivan. The Illinois counties will be allowed to expire at 6 a.m. Central Time, 7:15 Eastern Time for Sullivan here. Not a severe thunderstorm in southern Crawford County on its way into Lawrenceville, if you will. So you've still got some very heavy rain there. The reason this little guy right here is severe is because it's got wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour and quarter-sized hail is being reported. So please keep that in mind. It's moving off to the east, slightly to the south at about 30 miles per hour. To further highlight this, you can see, severe thunderstorm highlighted with this yellow color for these three counties. But now if you notice too, again, the observant one, what's back out to the north and to the west? They've just issued this within the past 2 minutes. We've watched that these thunderstorms out here in central Illinois have been severe, but they have not been tornadic. However, National Weather Service out of central Illinois has seen some rotation within the thunderstorms. Tornado warnings now for counties DeWitt, Logan. These are again out to the north and to the west of us. Again, 4 counties as a matter of fact. Definitely something we're going to keep an eye on because its direction is to the south and to the east as well. Let's run through the data one more time. Severe thunderstorm warnings: Clark, Crawford, and Sullivan counties because of the cluster of thunderstorms we just looked at. In Illinois, it's going to be Central Time, 6 a.m. expiration time, 7:15 Eastern Time for Sullivan County here on the Indiana side of things, and that's because of that guy right there. Heavy rain south of Robinson, but that's not prompting any severe thunderstorm warnings yet. Wouldn't be out of the question for that to change. Now, let's start taking a look at what's back out to the north and to the west. There's this cluster of thunderstorms that has now, within the past 2 minutes, prompted tornado warnings because, again, of some possible rotation. That is a nasty line of thunderstorms. That, however, is moving down to the south and to the east, and so we've got a very busy, active morning for us here. We're going to keep my eyes on this one. Again, let's roll through and show you that the watch box, again, was issued just about 5:30 this morning. You'll see that the red colors in the middle of that, as opposed to the yellow little boxes there, do indicate that 4 counties ahead and around that thunderstorm cluster, not the one I just showed you, but back out to the north and to the west, capable of producing a tornado. They don't have anything confirmed on the ground right now, but definitely as we get into the next couple of hours, we have got some very active weather, not only here, but headed our way. Once we break into the CBS Early Show, when we're done with our morning show here, which will be right at 7 o'clock Eastern Time, you're going to get all the updates on the bottom of your screen instantly. If something changes, if that changes and upgrades from a severe thunderstorm warning to a tornado warning, boom, you're going to get that instantly, and I'll be right back on the air as needed. And of course, we're on here at the 7:25, 7:55, and we'll do some live updates there through the show as well, so stay with us on that. As far as the clouds are concerned, well, we've got clouds, of course. Temperatures mild in the 70s. Thunderstorm outlook's essentially a no-brainer today. We keep this around not only for this morning, but for this afternoon as well. We're going to get a break. We'll have some sunshine out, and it's going to get hot by about lunchtime, but we've got to get through a round of thunderstorms rolling through right now. So we'll run through this again. 89 degrees, that's going to be our daytime high. Down to 72 degrees tonight, staying warm with spotty thunderstorms. Tomorrow we're going to keep some rain in the forecast as well. High of 92 degrees. Quickly take a look at your 7-day forecast because I'm going to bounce you back to the radar one more time. I want to show you what's out there at this hour. Quiet for Sunday. It looks to be the better day of the weekend. But right back to the radar, severe thunderstorm warnings for 3 of our counties. That's Clark, Crawford, and Sullivan counties until 6 a.m. Central Time for Clark and Crawford, 7:15 Eastern Time for Sullivan County this morning. And again, we got to keep our eyes out to the north and to the west. There's a bigger bunch of thunderstorms, bigger and badder than what's rolling through here right now, that we've got to keep our eyes on. So a very active morning so far this morning. Let's hope that that one out to the north and to the west doesn't continue to show rotation within it. That'd be the best case scenario. But again, farther to the north and to the west, they've issued some tornado warnings. So we're going to be on our best behavior here this morning, and we'll keep you up to date.
Now,